Yo, what is up, everybody? It is a new day. It is the second day of me purchasing my very second Amazon product, which was of course I'll still tell you, the topsy-turvy upside down tomato planter. This is them. We have them boxed up. I actually have the help of my sister today, so we're going to be going to FedEx. I have 32 of them, and it fits about 5 to a box, so I would have had about 7 boxes of these. So what I'm gonna do is just purchase a box from FedEx and then also use a couple of these. Also have packing materials and peanuts and everything up there, and we're going to be shipping it to the Illinois location, I think. Yeah, and we'll be going from there. So I'll let you guys know how everything works. I already listed it yesterday, so that went really well. Yeah, feel very good about this one, guys. So I'll keep you guys posted. This is K-Dot signing out. Deuces. Yo, what is up, guys? I am at the FedEx. I am extremely happy. One, just printed out my shipping label here, and then 2, let me show you. But yeah, literally everything fit in one box. So I purchased a box from here, which is about, I want to say $10, and then got my shipping labels, or not the shipping labels, but the labels that I have to put over the SKU and everything, or not the SKU, but the ASN number. But yeah, literally just fit in one box, so that's cool. Well, about to ship it off, guys.